Thinking about repairing your roof yourself? It might seem like a good way to save money, but there are important factors to consider before you get started. For minor issues like replacing a few shingles or cleaning your gutters, DIY might be an option, especially if you're comfortable with basic tools and have some experience. Just remember to take safety precautions and make sure you know what you're doing. But when it comes to more serious damage, like multiple leaks or structural problems, it's best to call in the professionals. Extensive repairs require specialized tools and expertise to get the job done right. Another key consideration is safety. Working on a roof can be dangerous, particularly if your roof is steep or difficult to access. If there's any doubt, it's safer to leave the job to those with the proper training and equipment. Ultimately, while DIY can work for some small repairs, more complex issues should be handled by professionals. If you're unsure about what's needed, contact RoofWorks for a free inspection. Our team will assess your roof and help you decide the best course of action. Visit our website or give us a call to schedule your inspection today.